Welcome back to Overheat. The 2026 Lexus RV is intended to blend the liberty and adaptability of RV travel with Lexus' renowned elegance. The final objective was to design an unparalleled travel experience with an emphasis on sustainability, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. External design. The sleek Lexus design aesthetic is reflected in the contemporary, aerodynamic exterior design. The distinctive L-shaped LED headlights give off an aggressive, modern appearance. The cabin's natural light is maximized by large panoramic windows. Flared fenders and carbon fiber components improve off-road performance. Interior design, a roomy and opulent interior with luxury leather and wood accents. Among other materials, a living area furnished with a smart TV, a sophisticated entertainment system, and a recliner, a completely furnished kitchen with a built-in coffee machine, refrigerator, dishwasher, and induction, cooktop, a cozy master bedroom featuring climate control, ambient lighting, and a soft mattress, a bathroom featuring high-end ceramic finishes, a stone sink, and a rain shower. Integration of smart home technology that enables voice or touchscreen control of the lighting, temperature, and multimedia features and technology. Advanced features including a 360-degree video and driver assistance are included in the Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0. Sophisticated infotainment system with a wide range of connections. Features that are off the grid, including rooftop solar panels and a battery storage system. Performance and engines, selection of all-electric or hybrid drivetrains, demonstrating Lexus' dedication to sustainability. For best performance in a range of driving conditions, choose all-wheel drive AWD. Air suspension that may be adjusted for a better ride. In summary, the 2026 Lexus Motorhome, which combines comfort, luxury, and cutting-edge technology, raises the bar for luxury travel. Adventurers who seek a memorable trip without compromising comfort are the target market for this vehicle. This car combines elegance with adventure.